Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emily Jasmine, and today we're going to be doing a Snow White inspired look. I am going on strong with my series. This one is a Disney series that I started on Instagram, but I think this look is super wearable and you guys are going to have so much fun with it. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, I also do my hair at the end, so stay tuned for that.
So I couldn't figure out the microphone yet. It's just sitting there on top of my camera. You want to see it? Super cute. And it came with this fluffy guy for like outside, so it muffles out some like wind sounds. Might be a voiceover as well. I can't figure it out. I haven't figured it out. Just give me one more video, okay? You can hear Coco Melon in the background. If you're a mom, go subscribe to Coco Melon because she's chilling. She loves Coco Melon. Right before bedtime, it's nursery songs, and we're here to learn about makeup, right? Why am I talking? My favorite moisturizer, Pond's for dry skin. Guys, I got this on Amazon, I think for like $6, and it came with two full size like that. They're huge, and all you need is a little nail scoop. That's all I do, the back side of my nail. And I go like this. Two for the face, one for the chin, and one for the forehead.
Hey guys, so let's talk about this brush really quickly. This brush is a baddie. Look at how quick, I mean, it is, like fast forward speed thing, but this brush just blends so beautifully, so fast, and I got it off of Amazon. But I wanted to try it out to give a, full review on it, and I'm gonna be dropping a video soon. So all my Amazon faves will be in that video. Stay tuned for that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly let you guys know that I did end up doubling up on this concealer, and that what you guys are seeing here is not a result of just one application of that concealer. So I do the color that is true, and then I go in with the same concealer and just brighten it up with one shade lighter right after this. for today's contour, since this look is much more softer than usual, I am going with a light and soft contour. I feel like Snow White has a very plump and round and cute little baby face, and it's not so defined on the cheeks. So, I mean, I was gonna go without it, but see the way it worked out was I just have to contour. I don't know. It's like I don't know. Don't forget the nose, guys. She is cold, she is white, and her nose is probably red. So we went in on the nose. So I went rosy with the highlighter as well. This highlighter is from the same palette as my blush, from the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. And it is a blush palette. This is supposed to be a blush, but it works as a highlighter for me. So I used that. Going into the Naked Smoky palette, I am starting with the brown shade. Don't ask me the names of these shades because the palette is out of nowhere. But the brown shade, it's like the only brown one in the whole palette. And in circular motions, working my way in, only working on the outer V at the moment. Once the brown shade is pat down, I went ahead and did it on the other eye, and we're gonna go into this dark gray shade right here. It is matte dark gray, and I use this to deepen up that brown and give it a little bit more definition, again only in the outer V area. Now switching brushes, I'm going to get a black, but this brush is more defined, more precise, and it gets placed exactly where I want it. So it doesn't diffuse too much into the other colors. I like to keep the blacks where I want them, and this brush is perfect for that. So I went ahead and made a V shape right on the outer edge of the outer eye part. And then we are going to leave it in the middle. We're not working that V into our crease with that brush. You're going to get a fluffier brush, a bigger blending brush, and then blend afterwards. So pack first and then blend. Pack first and then blend. That's how I went about making this black stay on the outer side and not bring a black mess all over my lid like a complete smoky eyes. Go ahead, put that P. Louise or concealer all over the lid. I even go as far as my brow bone, and I'm making sure to use very fast and light patting motions so that I do not remove too much of what's happening on the other side. So you want them to blend together easily, and I find that P. Louise definitely does a great job at that. After we have placed P. Louise or any eyeshadow base or concealer, I go ahead and set that. So we're going to go back into our palette and grab the beige color, the only light or cream color that's in the palette, and we're going to set our eyes. After we set the white part or the highlighted part, which is our inner corners, we're going to go back into the same palette and grab the gray. The gray that we used in the beginning was our blending shade. We're going to grab that same blending shade right there, and we're going to blend everything together. Okay guys, just letting you know that I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. For anyone that wants to know what lashes I use, they are my very own lashes from my very own lash line. So that is why I never mention them. I never do anything with the description or let you guys know where, because I am not selling them no more. Okay guys, and once your red lipstick is on and poppin', you have completed the look. Also, let's talk about that glue on my liner. That is not eyeliner, that is eyelash glue, which I eventually find and pluck off. But at the moment, he's just chilling there, don't mind him. Okay, so let's move on to hair. So with a red ribbon, medium to thick, I wouldn't say it's super thick, but it's like a medium length, you're going to want to tie that at the top of your head so that you have a guide. So it's tied, not completely. You don't want to do the little bunny ears yet. You're going to want to bring it to the bottom, almost like you're doing a low pony. Tie it tighter, and then work it down almost to the ends of your hair. Depending on how long or short you want your bob, that is where you're going to stop. Now you're going to take that and tuck it under. So everything is under your hair now, basically in the back of your neck, and then you tie it at the top and you are done. You got a cute little bob, you got a cute little headband all at the same time. So let me know if you guys try this look. Let me know if you try this hair. Let me know if you try it all. And let me know in the comments below how it works for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I hope to see you guys back for my next video.